Good morning, everyone. I'm Asta, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we'll be covering news about Google's manufacturing expansion in India, CERT in warning on Google Chrome and Siemens products, Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 series, OnePlus Open 2 delay, Moto G85 5G leaks, Google Voice typing and automatic captions expansion, Asus ROG LE, XTs and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google will commence manufacturing its Pixel smartphones in India. According to sources familiar with the matter, the smartphones will be produced at an existing Foxconn facility located in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. In addition to smartphones, Google plans to independently manufacture drones in Tamil Nadu. India's significance as a manufacturing hub has increased due to global firms seeking to diversify their supply chains away from China and geopolitical tensions with Western countries. Google will commence manufacturing its Pixel smartphones in India. According to sources familiar with the matter, the smartphones will be produced at an existing Foxconn facility located in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. In addition to smartphones, Google plans to independently manufacture drones in Tamil Nadu. India's significance as a manufacturing hub has increased due to global firms seeking to diversify their supply chains away from China and geopolitical tensions with Western countries. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Watch 7 series at the next Unpacked event in July. The series will include the Vanilla, Classic, and Pro models, and possibly a cheaper Galaxy Watch FE. Model numbers SML300, SML305, SML310, SML315, and SM3861 have been listed by the FCC. L300 and L310 could be Wi-Fi only versions, while L305 and L315 are likely to LTE capable. The OnePlus Open 2 has been rumored to be delayed to next year. Expected to launch in the first quarter of 2025, the device will feature an upgrade hinge. It will also include a periscope camera. Expected to be powered by an unannounced Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 3 SoC. It will succeed the Moto G84 5G launch in September 2023. Leaked renders show a blue color option with a dual rear camera module. The module suggests a 50 megapixel primary camera with OIS. Google expands voice typing and automatic captions to more web browsers. Previously available only on the latest version of Google Chrome. Now accessible on Microsoft Edge and Apple Safari, allow users to edit documents in Google Docs and speaker notes in Google Slides. Asus has been teasing the ROG Ally X, a successor to the ROG Ally. Keeps the Ryzen Z1 Extreme APU with 8 Zen 4 cores and 12 RDNA 3 compute units. Retains the 7-inch FHD 120Hz screen. Features a larger battery doubling capacity to 80 WH. This is Asta signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
आज हम बात करेंगे क्लाउडवर्क्स टेक्नोलॉजीज की तो काम कर रही है डिजिटल ट्विन्स और एंटरप्राइज मेटावर्स के क्षेत्र में। फाउंडर्स युवराज तोमर और कौशिक भारद्वाज ने 2019 में मेरठ से शुरुआत की थी स्टार्टअप। उनका प्रोडक्ट क्लाउडवर्क्स स्टूडियो नो कोड प्लेटफॉर्म है जिससे आप रियल टाइम डेटा से 3D ट्विन्स बना सकते हैं। इनकी इनोवेटिव टेक्नोलॉजी को देखकर शार्क टैंक इंडिया के नमिता थापड़ और अनुपम मित्तल ने इनमें $500,000 यानी 40 लाख रुपए का इन्वेस्टमेंट किया 3.2% इक्विटी के लिए। ये फंडिंग क्लाउडवर्क्स के लिए बड़ा माइलस्टोन था। साथ ही इन्वेस्टर्स जैसे वेंचर कैटलिस्ट, वन क्राउड, सक्सीड और प्रोविस्टा ने भी इनमें भरोसा दिखाया। क्लाउडवर्क्स की करंट वैल्यूएशन $12.5 मिलियन यानी 100 करोड़ रुपए है। ये स्टार्टअप अब ग्लोबल लेवल पर डिजिटल ट्विन्स मार्केट में अपना फुटप्रिंट बढ़ाना चाहती है।